Hi, it's Ben from 20 New Clients. I just wanted to tell you a story. I was coaching a guy and he started saying, oh, I want to talk about how to market for Christmas, And I said, well, I don't know if you're ready to market for Christmas yet. Well, I want to market for Christmas. So I said, okay, great. Do you even have your clients in a contact list? And well, no. I said, well, how many of them are in this city? How many of them are in this location? No, I don't know. I got lots of clients. The thing is, we want to grow sometimes a bit too fast. A lot of times if you grow too fast, it creates chaos. And a lot of times people think that they need more marketing when that actually is creating more chaos. Sometimes you need to step back and you need to prep your business. You need to take care and work in your business. And sometimes growth can be the very worst thing that you can have. So if you think about a painter has to come into the house, has to prep the walls. There's holes in the walls. They got to mud the wall. They got to put tape around the whole outside. They've got to put a carpet or poly down, plastic, so they don't drip paint. They got to then sand what they mudded. They got to mud it again, sand it again, and they got to prep the wall. Then they might have to wash the wall because it's got sand, drywall dust all over it. And then finally, the paint goes on. So if you're trying to do a marketing plan without prep in your business, what are your systems? How do you keep contact with your clients? Do you have an assistant to run some of the marketing? Are you outsourcing the right things? Are you doing those things so you can actually grow? The problem is we want to grow and then it creates chaos. So if you're in your business and you feel chaotic, you don't need a new marketing plan. You need to create some systems. You need to look at your business from the inside out and ask yourself, maybe I'm not organized. Maybe I need some help this way. Anyways, just a thought, if you want to market for Christmas or spring or whatever, if you're slow, take a second and look, do you have your contact list put together? Basic mailing list. Do you even have that? If not, well, then you need to start looking at some of the business systems rather than marketing. Anyways, cheers, something to think about. Hopefully you're having an awesome day. See ya. If you want to get more videos, I put out maybe one video 3 to 4 weeks, and I only put out content that actually matters. I'm not a kind of guy that sits down going, I need to put content out. I need to put content out. I don't care. It's all free anyways. I'm just trying to build a community of awesome realtors that we can connect and we can maybe change the industry and upgrade the industry and maybe even improve our lives a little bit. So anyways, go to 20 New Clients in Facebook, or even click down low. I'll have a link that gets you to 20 New Clients, and it's the vlog. Click the button and you can start getting these videos maybe once a month. Now here's my promise. You give me your email, I respect it huge. I will never send you crap. If you do, just unsubscribe. You're gonna get a good high quality video because I respect the fact that you gave me your email. Anyways, cheers.